In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a material style icon in Figma using a proper grid for consistent alignment and sizing. Start by creating a new frame in Figma. With the frame selected, go to the right sidebar and click the plus icon next to Layout Grid. Set the grid size to 100 px. This gives you a structured area to design and align your icon accurately. Next, open the Actions menu and select Plugins and Widgets. Search for Material Design Icons and open the plugin. If needed, install the plugin and click Run. Browse the icon library and choose an icon that fits your project. Drag the icon onto your 100 x 100 px grid frame. Use Figma's alignment tools to center the icon and make sure it sits neatly within the grid. If you're creating your own icon, use the grid as a guide to keep shapes aligned and proportions consistent. Once the icon is positioned correctly, customize the color, size, or stroke weight to match your design system. Review the icon at different sizes to ensure it remains clear and readable. And that's it! You've successfully created a clean, grid-based material icon in Figma using proper alignment and design principles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.